As I said in my previous video, stuck in your car, in the rain. I see the sun shining over there. Listen. Rain on the roof of my van. I wasn't kidding when I said you may not like it because you might be stuck in your van or your car for days. Sorry, I'm eating. Tuna fish sandwich. But this is just an example of the nomadic lifestyle. This is not one of the pluses, this is one of the negatives. There are many, many pluses and a few negatives. It all depends how you look at it. Listen to the rain. My life. This is my life, and I love it.